Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will solve a LeetCode problem, coin change problem. In this problem, we are given an integer array coins representing coins of different denominations and an integer amount representing a total amount of money. In this problem, we have to return the fewest number of coins that we need to add to make up the amount. If we cannot make up the amount using the coins given in the coins array, we have to simply return -1. To solve this problem, we will use a 1D array new int and its size will be amount plus 1. We are setting the amount size to be amount plus 1. Use amount as an index. For example, if the amount is 11 and we want to have and if you want to use index 11, we need to set the length to be amount plus 1. Let's fill this array with value amount plus 1 because we need to return the fewest number of coins that make up the amount. Then we will set the 0th index to be 0. The value at 0th index is 0 because there is only one way to make amount 0, make up amount 0, that is 0. Then we will start with the index 1. Then let's do dp dot length here and I plus. Now what we will do is we will iterate over the coins that make up the amount. For int coin in coins, here we will check if the current index is greater than coin, then and only then perform the calculation. Math.min. We want to store the minimum number of coins that make up the current amount. For example, the current index is 1. We have a coin and its value is 1. We will use greater than equal to here. We will first check what is the minimum value so far that is already calculated previously, that is dp of I or dp of I minus coin plus 1, and then we will simply on dp of dp dot length minus 1 is less, say greater than amount. No, let's do is not equal to amount plus 1. Yes, dp of dp dot length minus 1 or dp or simply return -1. Okay, let's submit the solution. Our solution has been accepted.